So here we have a DIY lamp, glass cylinder, marble contact paper. This actually looks pretty easy to put together. Some type of paper towel holder. I think this is from the dollar store. Oh, wow. Such a simple design, but really cute and chic. And then we have the Gummy Bear side table. So this is a huge trend on TikTok right now. A lot of people are gravitating towards these like really cute and fun gummy bear inspired designs. And they used a 3D printer in order to create this. Now, if you didn't want to go through the trouble of making it yourself, buying a 3D printer and all of that, you could, of course, probably buy one. I'm sure people are selling these because, like I said, they're very popular. And they would definitely be like a statement piece in your home, something to get people talking. Really unique design and vibe with the aesthetic. So you print out the pieces, glue them together. And then of course, after all that, they're probably going to spray paint them. They didn't show that step, but I'm pretty sure that's what they did. And then we have this really fun disco table design. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Followed by a hoop DIY lamp. So this is another really cool design. Something very different. You could also use this same process and make like a really nice vase with these same items. So she's pretty much just weaving in the fairy lights and bam, very cool. Now to do the vase, I would assume you would take like two of those, put them together, put the flowers in the middle, and bam, very cool looking vase. So here we have someone making a dice table. This is another very popular trend right now. Ooh, such a unique color with that bright orange too. And then we have a mirror design. Okay, so they did the foam trend and added like a cool cow print. Yeah, that came out pretty cool. And that would be like another like statement piece within your home. I think definitely something different. And then she took things a step further with these neon lights. How cool is that? Oh, I love the vibe. So another trend is the stained glass DIY, and I really like these different colors that they use to do this. They use like several different colors. I just think it's another fun way to brighten up your home with something unique and statement making. This would only be for those who like color though. If you don't like color, yeah, definitely don't do this trend. And you can do multiple colors, or you can buy like one color and then just do that as well. Very cool vibe. And then this isn't a DIY, but I thought that it was definitely worth a look at. This is a pencil inspired lamp. How fun is this? Well, she's definitely excited about it. That would be really cool if you were like a teacher or something and this was in your home. Very unique piece for sure. She looks like she has a lot of fun with her decor. Check out that Lego table. And then we have a side table DIY. So this is more back to that like neutral aesthetic. Everyone doesn't like bold colors. So she's doing the tassel yarn look. And it looks like she used like some type of old bucket for this. Oh wow, this is really cool. So she's doing just layers of tassel. And a wooden tabletop. Wow, this is really cool. Even though this features like neutral colors, this is definitely a statement piece. It looks like a really short table though. Okay, so she used it as like a plant stand. But if you had a bigger bucket, you could do the same thing and do like multiple layers of the tassels. Really cool idea. Very fun. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy all of the DIYs that we took a look at today and you enjoyed my reactions to them. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I will of course see you in the next video.